I've been presenting some results from the ATLANTIS platform trial. So this is a UK-wide precision medicine platform trial in the maintenance setting. So this is patients who are enrolled during first-line chemotherapy for advanced urothelial cancer. During the chemotherapy, the patients submit archival tissue for biomarker testing. Then at the end of chemotherapy, if there's ongoing clinical benefit, that is stable disease, partial response, complete response at the end of chemotherapy, they're then offered randomization into one of a suite of different clinical trials depending on their biomarker status. So we presented the results of the rucaparib randomization at the GU meeting earlier in 2022, and that was a positive signal. Some patients were directed towards a randomization between enzalutamide or placebo if they are AR positive. We haven't shown the results of that yet. This was actually the rest of them. So these are patients who are negative for those biomarkers, and they were randomized to receive either cabozantinib or placebo. So cabozantinib is an oral multi-tyrosine kinase inhibitor, principally vascular endothelial growth factor receptor, but also some other targets which are probably relevant in urothelial cancer. And they continue with that until radiographic progression. It's a signal searching study. It's a negative study. Primary endpoint was progression-free survival, and there was really no difference between the two arms of the trial. Similarly for overall survival. Toxicity-wise, this is a drug which is widely used particularly in the treatment of renal cancer. Nothing new to see. It's a drug which was generally well tolerated, albeit with quite a significant number of dose reductions to get tolerability. Obviously the trial is that niche is no longer appropriate because the standard of care has moved on in that setting. So the trial is actually now closed because it's no longer really ethical to randomize patients against placebo in that setting.